Welcome to Stove Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Hi, today I'm going to show you a quick video of how to reseal your flue pipe with fire cement. Using the duct tape, wrap it around the flue collar and the bottom of your flue pipe. Using cling film, wrap the top of your stove to stop any of the fire cement marking the top. Wearing gloves, use the fire cement and press it into the gap around the flue collar. Using a wipe or a damp sponge, you can now wipe the excess of the fire cement off the flue. Carefully remove the tape from the flue collar and the flue pipe. Once you're finished, allow time for the fire cement to fully cure before firing up your appliance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.